As the sun broke over the horizon, the air buzzed with excitement at Hilltop Field, the home ground of the mighty Eagles soccer squad. It was a chilly morning, but that hardly dampened the team's spirit. If anything, it made them more invigorated, ready to tackle the day's regimen. By 6:30 a.m., sneakers thudded against the dewy grass as Coach Thompson rounded up his team. The squad gathered in a huddle, their breaths visible in the cool air. "Alright, Eagles, let's start with some Lamberi. Ain't up before we hit the drills," Coach Thompson's voice boomed, ensuring every sleepy eye was now wide awake. First came the stretches, hamstrings, quads, calves, ch muscle group received its due attention. The team bent, twisted, and stretched in synchrony, their movements fluid after seasons of practice. Post the warm-up, real fun began, with every player jogging to their respective positions on the field. The goalkeeper, Sam, took his place between the posts, agility drills lined up next. Meanwhile, midfielders and strikers dove into passing exercises, their passes slicing through the morning air, each one crisp and purposeful. Defenders RKED on their coordination, positioning themselves strategically to intercept imaginary threats. Laughter and occasional shouts of encouragement filled the field, showing energy and unity. As the sun climbed higher, the team transitioned into a scrimmage, a mini mock game to put their practice into play. Coach Thompson observed from the sidelines, noting the fluid passes, the quick footwork, and the booming shots towards goal. "That's it, keep the pressure on," he cheered. After cooling down with light jogs and stretches, the mighty Eagles gathered around Coach Thompson. Sweat-lined faces looked eagerly at him as he commended their efforts and outlined the strategy for their upcoming match. With a collective cheer, the morning routine concluded, the players' spirits high, ready for what the day would bring.